Okay, we come to question 3, which is factorize completely 2ab minus 3b plus 10a minus 15. Okay, so what you can do is to work out this one. What you're going to do is we're going to rewrite the expression, which is let me say 2ab, okay, minus 3b, okay, plus 10a minus 15. Okay, so what we can do now is we put these terms in two categories, so this one and this one. Okay, so what we do is we factorize now. Okay, what is common in these two terms? So we can see that b is found in two terms, so we can put b outside. Is there any other number or variable? Do 3 and 2 have a whole number which is a common factor apart from 1? Okay, the only factor that 2 and 3 have, the common factor is 1, okay, which we can't use unless if we had any bigger number, 2 or 3. Okay, now since it's just 1, we're not going to use it, so we're going to use b. So b into 2ab, it will go how many times? How many times will b go into 2ab? It will go 2a times. Okay, then how many times will b go into 3b? Into negative 3b, it will go negative 3 times. Okay, so in other ways, it's like we're cancelling out b in those terms and we'll record what is remaining. Okay, then again we factorize here. We say we look at these numbers. Okay, these numbers in the brackets, 10a and 15. So we ask ourselves, do 10 and 15 have a common factor apart from 1? A common factor, so I mean highest common factor, which is a number that can go into 10 and 15 without leaving a remainder. We know that 5 can go into 10 and 5 can go into 15. Okay, there is no other number that can go into 10 and 15. The highest number, there is no that number. We can have 1, but we are not considering 1, so 5. So we're going to use 5. So we say 5. Okay, 5 into positive 10a, it will go 2a times. Okay, 2a times. So you can also try to say 5 times 2a will give us 10a. Okay, then 5 into negative 15, it will go negative 3 times. Okay, now at this stage, once you have factorized like that, you should make sure that these numbers that are in brackets are the same. You can see we have got 2a minus 3 and 2a minus 3. So how do we go about it? So what you can do is, first I'm going to record what is in the bracket, 2a minus 3, close bracket. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to open bracket, then I'm going to take this factor, which is b, and this factor, which is 5. So it's a plus 5. That. Okay, then we put it in bracket. And this is the final answer. So we can come here where it's written answers. We can write open bracket 2a minus 3, close bracket, open bracket b plus 5, like that. Okay,